I can't get the caudal root out.
You know where to drill?
Yep. Not with that angle.
You should like save this dog. This is terrible. Her mats are just horrible.
I can't.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's too mobile to drill.
Do you want me to try and pull it?
I almost have it.
I'm doing really good on teeth lately. My last one was really successful, so I'm feeling confident.
Don't post this anywhere. Talk and call.